Hey, welcome back to Fresh Produce, folks. I'm Pete from BTI. Today I want to introduce you to a brand new brand to our shelves. This is exposure lights. They're made right in the UK. So these lights are really made for wet weather and some heavy duty use. Let's dive right into it with their tracer rear light. So it's got a kind of traditional rubber strap to strap around your seat tube. And then the light itself pops off, of course, when you're not using it. Nice and bright, variety of settings for the rear light there. I think kind of a neat part of this light is this heavy duty rubber seal that pulls away to expose the USB charging port. So again, kind of speaking to their durability and wet weather savvy, that's going to work really well in all variety of weather conditions out there. Pop it right back on, a really nice secure clamp on that seat tube as well. All right, so that's the Tracer R rear light. Now, Exposure makes, like I said, wide variety. We go from a kind of commuter style rear light all the way up to this 800 lumen Revo Mark IV, 4 bulbs inside there. And what's unique about this specific kit is that it actually comes with a Dynamo front hub. So build this front wheel up and keep this light running indefinitely while you're out on a wild backcountry bike packing trip. Also, of course, would work great for that day-to-day commuter who just never wants to have to charge their lights. This hub actually works on a 15 mil through axle as well, disc compatible, so really up to all the modern fittings you might need for some pretty cool bike packing adventures. These lights are also sold on their own if you don't want to run the rechargeable hub there. And so check out the catalog. We've got, like I said, a wide variety. I think these are going to fit the needs of a lot of folks that want a nice, durable, long-lasting front or rear light, exposure lights. If you are interested, make sure you ask at your local bike shop, tell them BTI sent you. And we hope that you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks.